continue with the topic, children. Next one more story is about paper. Okay, the story of paper. So you know the importance the paper plays. So you always write everything in your paper. Your textbook is also a paper only, children. So how first the early people used to write. That time paper was not there. So they were writing on clay tablets. That and all previous topic only would have learned. So they were writing on clay tablet. Rough surfaces, okay, rough surfaces, clay tablets, leaves. So you would have aware about palm leaves, okay. Then on skin animals too, okay, on skin animals. So like this, they were mostly it is of drawing only, children, okay, on skin animals. Okay, skins of animals. Then paper was invented by the Egyptians around 4,000 years ago. Okay, the paper was invented by Egyptians around 4,000 years ago. So they made it from the plant papyrus. Okay, that's why the word from this word papyr, that word paper has been formed. Okay, so they took this plant papyrus from the pith of this papyrus. Okay, from the pith. So what is pith means? See outside the plant will be green in color. So when you remove that, inside that a white thing will be there. That one is being taken and pressed to made into sheets, children. Okay, so on that they used to write. Then the present day paper, so it was made by the Chinese. So present day paper, the form we see now, no, present day form of paper, that was made by Chinese. So what they used, no, the Chinese used the rags. Okay, rags being soaked for a long time. Okay, soaked for a long time, and then it is made into pulp. Okay, it was a process, children. The rags are being soaked for a long time, and then it is being made into pulp, and then it is being dried up, and then being pressed into sheets so that they look like paper. So rags soaked for a long time, and this was the process. Okay, so these Chinese didn't tell this secret to the world for nearly 500 years, children. Okay, then the pulp is being dried and pressed into sheets, children. Later on they used the tree bark. Okay, tree bark. So that's why we tell protect the trees, because reduce the use of paper. Okay, otherwise we have to cut many trees now. So reduce the use of paper also, children. Okay, nowadays it is like e-governance or e-paper. They are just sending it through a mobile or through your computer. So no need of the bills being printed on a paper, children. Okay, so the paperwork they are reducing it now. The next one, this tree bark is being broken down into fibers. This is being broken down into fibers. And then it is being pressed, to form the sheets. Pressed to form the sheets. So today paper is being made from different plants, children. Grass, wood, okay. Then one more, wood pulp and plants, okay. So today's time it is the paper is being made from grass, wood pulp and then other plants. So this is the story, children, development of paper. Okay, so we saw first it was the people used to write it on the rough surfaces, used to do drawing, okay, and on the clay tablets, leaves. Okay, we saw about these clay tablets. They made a clay tablet like this slate, and then using stylus they used to write on it, and they used to dry it or bake it. How we do it for bricks and all, no? Like that they have to use, so it will be strong. The next one on the leaves also, children. So now in India and all we use the palm leaves. Okay. The next one on skin of animals. Like that also they used to write. Then next it was the Egyptians who discovered the paper around 4,000 years ago. Okay, from the plant papyrus. So the pith of the plant is being used to make the sheets of paper. Okay, from this word papyrus, papi. So that one only the word paper came out. Okay, it was the coin. They coined the word paper. Okay, the next one. The present day form of paper is made by the Chinese. So what they did, know, the old rags and all, they soaked in water for a long time, and then they squeezed out, they dried it, and then being pressed to sheets to look like as a paper. And then next the tree bark, that is also being used as the fiber, that is being broken down into fibers and pressed to form the sheets, children. Okay, so these are the various techniques being followed. Now it is paper industry itself is a big thing, children. Okay, so many countries are doing that one. So and today at present the papers are also made from grass, wood pulp and plants, children. Okay, so take your textbook and read, children. These are all very interesting. Okay, learn it thoroughly. It's of GK also, children, general knowledge. Okay, so wherever you go they may ask it as a GK question. So read it, children. Thank you.